Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will make this defense device, Taser. It is very easy to make and it requires minimal components. Moreover, it is rechargeable. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before proceeding, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and for the notification of my new upcoming video, please press that bell icon. The main component which is required for this DIY is this mosquito racket. It was lying around in my house from a very long time. So I thought, why should not I use it for making a taser? So to open this, you need to open these 4 Phillips screws. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So as you can see, this mosquito racket has inbuilt rechargeable lithium-ion battery. So we don't need any another battery. This is high power transformer. When we will press this button, so the taser will charge automatically, and when I will short it, you will see there is a crackling sound. These are the high voltage wire which go to the upper section of the racket. We have to disconnect this wire first. I forgot to mention that these rackets usually have capacitors. Capacitor can hold high voltage at the output of the board. So when I pressed the button earlier, the capacitor was charged and the charge was just sitting there in the capacitor to give me electric shock. Capacitors are like battery. When voltage is applied, it is charged. Capacitors have high charging and discharging current. It is like glass of water which can be filled and empty very fast. But with the passage of time, capacitors self-discharge themselves, so that's why they can't be used as a battery. If you want more information about electrical stuff, make sure to subscribe my channel. Make sure to discharge the capacitor. You can discharge the capacitor by shorting the 2 points of the output line. You can either discharge the capacitor by touching this high voltage line with each other like this, or you can discharge the capacitor from here. When I press this button, the capacitor was charged, and when I will touch these 2 points together, the capacitor will discharge. So make sure to discharge the capacitor. Now we have to disconnect this upper section of the racket. When you will remove this, you will see these 2 wires, one this and this. Now you have to disconnect these wires. Now the upper section is disconnected. Now we have our taser gun almost ready. We have to cut PCB according to the space available in the front portion of our taser or mosquito racket. I will take these 2 wires. Make sure it is long enough to reach the high voltage generator. If you will leave too much gap between these 2 points, you will not see arc. I will leave only 1 point. Now we will see whether it is working or not. Yeah, it is working. You can see. Now you have to close it. This is component adhesive. Now your device is ready to use. As you can see or hear, it can definitely scare anyone and it will give you a very bad shock. And now I will give you a demo by testing it on myself. There is no green screen. This is working. 1, 2, 3. Oi. Oi. Don't try it. And wait. And you can also use this taser to do this. Yes, you can turn on the gas with this. You can see? Like, share, comment and tell me which was your favorite part in this video.